G'day, how you going? Oh, hang on a minute. That's better. G'day, how you going? Ian Applis here, your acrylic guru. Welcome to my video channel here, where I myself, Ian Harris from Australia, Perth, like to teach beginners and advanced beginners how to paint in acrylic. And I really want to show you that you can do it. I'm a self-taught artist and I'd like to get my messages across pretty basic and simple, as if so a 5-year-old can understand it. So hence you might see some simple or basic language used within my videos, and like tickling the tops or put some yumminess in the clouds, or just that sort of vibe I'm putting in my videos, because it's so easy for anybody to understand, whether you're up here or down there in your art journey. In my video catalogue, at this moment, I have over 500 videos, and there's a different variety of subjects, as you can see if you go to the videos tab. This video that you're watching right now is explaining to the newcomer to my channel what I'm all about and what I have to offer and what you can gain from watching me. Every now and then I create blooper videos behind the scenes of filming a tutorial, because I put a bit of effort in filming my tutorials from now on, and sometimes bloopers are created, and when they're gathered together I can edit them and make a separate blooper video. Now with the bloopers, they will be clearly marked blooper and a big warning, because it does contain raw, mild to coarse language, and also my little friend Little Buddy appears in them as well. Not everybody wants Little Buddy in the tutorials, which I understand, because you're here to watch a tutorial and you're going to get a tutorial out of me with no monkey business in it. The monkey business gets put into the bloopers.
That's right, you tell him, Ian, all into the little bloopers. I'll be in the bloopers with you.
That was Little Buddy. He's always over my shoulder asking me those questions.
Yeah, what's this video all about?
I just told them. Okay. Also, I'd like to attract your attention to the links below this video. If you're watching on a desktop, scroll down the screen a bit and you'll see all these links. I like to call that my cupboard, and what's in my cupboard can help you. There's a variety of links there that'll help you out. There's a PayPal link that helps you if you want to buy one of my paintings, or simply buy the blending brushes and the putter on a brush that I use within my videos. You simply send your payments through PayPal. Now you message me on Facebook. I'm only a one-man band, so I don't have a big crew of people working for me, so I'm doing everything myself. You message me on Facebook, that link is in my cupboard below as well, and you just say, hey, I want to buy the blending brushes, or can I buy such and such a painting? And that's how it's done there. Pretty simple and easy. So do get familiar with what's in my cupboard below. The link's in the description box below, okay? I do encourage, whether you're a regular viewer or a new viewer, just to give me the thumbs up and give me a comment below where you're from and who your name is. And even if you're a regular viewer, just say, hey, Shazza here, good to see you again, Ian, whatever. Just keep those comments going. It's great for the algorithm of my channel and many other YouTubers that put out content on the platform. There is a patrons platform that I do have, and those patrons that subscribe to me every month get the benefit of having early access to my content. The bloopers are put over there straight away once they're edited. They're done before the actual tutorial, so they'll get an idea what tutorial's coming up, but they'll get an idea what sort of hassles I had making that tutorial. They get early access to the bloopers and the tutorials. Once the tutorial is edited and all put together, that gets put over to my Patreon platform as well, and the patrons get early access, knowing what's coming up. They see the thumbnail, they know exactly what's coming up, and then within due time the video is released out on YouTube for everybody to watch. All my videos are free to watch. They don't cost you anything. The only thing that'll cost you something on YouTube, if you choose to become a member.
How do they become a member, Ian?
Well, Little Buddy, there is a join tab below this video here. You simply hit that join tab and become a member of my YouTube channel for the cost of a cup of coffee a month. And you get shout outs in my live shows. When I see you get emojis and icons next to your name, and you get shout outs in lives as well. And also you're supporting my content and keeping something like me going further and further. Now I would like to say that I am a one-man band. I don't have a lot of crew working for me, so everything I do is done by myself. And in that, I like to keep it real as I can. I am me, the same person you see on this camera talking to you and doing a video. That's who I am in real life. There's not two Decals and Hydes here. That's me here and on the other side of the camera. And it's only me, so if mistakes happen, bear with it. It's all good stuff. Every 3 weeks, I may do a Friday night live, depending on the audience I get through there, and that's my chance to connect with you, the follower, the subscriber, to touch base with you, the other side of my channel, and answer your questions where you can have some questions. If you have any question about art, you're watching a tutorial, simply in the comment, ask your question. I have a question, and then put your question there. Those questions get printed out, and in my following Friday night live, they get read out and acknowledged throughout the show as well. So if it's your first time here, I hope it's not going to be your last time here. I do my best to teach what I can. I don't know everything. I can only tell you and show you how I can do a painting and how you can do it. Because at the end of the day, if your heart is wanting to go within the art journey and start painting, I know you can do it. You tell your friends if you like what I'm doing on my channel, but if you don't, you tell everybody. Goodbye, good luck, and good on ya.